Now, just quickly before I start the video, because I already started and finished it. In this video, I'll show you how to take the stator winding out of this motor. The stator, not the stator winding, the stator. I want it to be configured in a delta configuration so I can run it on a VFD controller. Unfortunately, the stator in this particular engine motor, it's not that easy to be configured in a delta. Only got 3 wires. It needs to stay in a star configuration. So this video will be about how to take the stator out. I'm not gonna show you how to redo it. Hope the video is helpful too. Leave me a comment and I'll see you on the next one. So, we're fixing everything, because there is always something to be fixed. Subscribe to the channel, it might be helpful to fix everything, and I'll be very happy if I help you to do so. Today, we will try to make this engine run on a single phase electricity via a VFD controller. For that purpose, we need to make the engine to be running in a delta configuration. Unfortunately, this engine is connected in a star configuration and there is no electrical connection, so it can be converted to a delta or a triangular configuration or connection. So if you open the back, that's where the cables connect. There is a 3-phase and neutral and earth, so, and that's only the 3 cable, and the earth is right here next to the main body. So what we're gonna do, I'll just take my screwdriver and we will take it apart. We'll try to get to the stator and try to see all the connections. If I'm not able myself to do it, like if I don't know what I'm doing, I'll take it to a specialist and I'll show you what he did. Because where I live, they only charge you like a $5 to change the configuration. If you watch my other video, I already showed how you can okay, so that's the configuration on the back. We got 2 cables for the lamp and 3 cables for the 3 phases, the 3 coils. Now, what we're gonna need, that's gonna be the back. Let's put the cover back on. Should we? Yeah. Because I'm gonna flip it on its side for a second. We'll take the front cover off where the clutch sits. Okay, now let's see. I'll just make a marking just so I know where I took it off. I don't know if it can be placed in any direction, but it's only three screws holding it, and I don't want to. You see the condition of the clutch plate. Looks pretty much okay to me. Okay, let's put that to one side. And now this one I think is left hand thread. Let me take my impact gun. Let's see what's the size of the knot. Maybe like 19. That's 21. No, it's bigger. 20, 22 maybe. Yes, 22. Where's my... I managed to take it out. I have a... Is this one too big? Yeah. Maybe this pry bar will do the job. Where is the beefiest part here? I'm not sure I'm doing anything. No, I'm only lifting the rotor up. So we're gonna manage to take it out. Give me a second, let me think. Okay, so I made myself a little tool. I have a bearing puller and I use these two from the puller and I made this little bracket. So let's try now. I know these fit inside, they fit a bit hard but they do fit. And we'll try just to pull it out. I'll heat it up a little bit. I'll just heat up the inside. There we go. Now we're gonna assemble it like so. Here and there, like that. Now, let's see. $17. I'll need a little help. Okay, so I'll hold it here. There, that's the pull out. And now to get to the main winding. That was actually really easy with this steel. Okay, this one different from this one. Yes, they are a bit different. These don't have a notch on the side. Let's get the whole rotor out. Bearings are really nice. Now, when we have the rotor out, we can, I'll just blow it up with air. We can't see any connections from this side. So to be able to get to that thing, we'll need to press the whole thing out, and for that I'll need to flip it over. Flip it over. I'll disconnect all the cables. Oh, these are soldered, okay. Okay, I'll go for lunch and I will continue later. Okay, I was just about to desolder the connector here, but I can see it's being twisted and soldered, so I'll just chop it off. And I will resolder it later. Now, we need to take this stator out, and it's being pressed in. Can I just squeeze these cables in? Yes. Okay, so the stator is being pressed in. Let's mark it. maybe a piece of wood would be the best choice. Or maybe a punch or a big bolt. Maybe let's see a bolt. We're gonna damage that thing. Yeah, this looks okay. So I have this piece of threaded thingy, and I'll just hit with it. And this is a 1.5 kg hammer. Thing is going. There is still space to go. Let's keep going. My gun fell off. So you need a sturdy table. Okay, so this is the maximum. So I need a piece of wood now. I think this is going to be fine. Still not. Let's keep going. Oh, that's it. And we have the stator out. This is the casing. I think by what I see, I don't know how much in you can push it, but we'll see. Okay, let's see now. Let's go further down. Just so we don't damage anything, I'll place a piece of fiber cutlet on here, and we'll need to chop some stuff. Now, somewhere in here is the center of the star configuration, and we need to find it. This is not very easy. That's the point where I'm not sure I know what I'm doing. I'm not confident to take it apart really, but how bad can it be? How bad can it be? Let's see. This is something a bit concerning. Did I got wrong the configuration? $19. 19 ohms. 19. 19 again. 19. So if we have a configuration like this, it's still gonna be 19. Let me think about that. I had a look and I'm a bit confused because of these three. I was expecting to be only one and all three cables to be connected in one, so just need a little bit of help of a professional person that know what he's doing, because I don't want to ruin it. So get it to the motor people and I'll show you what they did in a second.